Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files and images directly in your Team-GPT workspace and let the AI analyze them for you. To upload files, enter a chat and click on the Attach button in the chat input field. You have the option to upload either a document or an image from your device. Soon, you'll also be able to upload an image or a file from Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. When I upload a file as context, the AI can analyze the file content to extract insights, to create summaries, to compare information between different documents, and so on. Vision is a feature that lets you add images to your conversations in Team-GPT. It uses the latest advancements from GPT-4 with Vision by OpenAI and Claude 3 to understand and analyze these images. And this is how to upload files and images in Team-GPT. Thank you for watching.